Hey guys, excuse the way I look because I am a sweaty mess at the moment. It is so hot in here and I have been, I've honestly been quite productive today. I'm quite proud of myself. I've been cleaning and then I've filmed. I'm about to film another video, obviously. I just had some lunch, but yeah, it's hot. I'm sweating. Alright, we are going to do January empties today, which I'm excited about. I did have a goal of 20 products, which we did not reach. At least I'm 90% sure we didn't reach. But yeah, I am going to show you what we used up this month. So this one isn't technically an empties, but it is to me. So this is the MAC Fix Plus Pink Light, and you can see that there's a tiny little bit in here, right? But because there's only a tiny little bit of liquid, there's so much of the shimmery pink light stuff in there that when you like spray it, it's literally just all shimmer. So like I feel like I can't use it anymore because it's gonna ruin my makeup. So I'm calling this an empty. We literally have like, I don't know, not many pumps in it left. So I'm taking it. So yeah, this is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Pink Light. I did really like this. One thing I hate about these is the way they smell. I hate it, but I love their scented ones. Like I had a lavender scented one time and that was really nice. I don't think I had a stage where I had like 5 different Fix Pluses and now I don't have any left. So I think I would like to repurchase one eventually, but it's not my priority at the moment. But yeah, I do love Fix Plus. I feel like it's just a nice, good like staple to have in your collection. So yeah, when I do a little bit of makeup shopping, I would pick one up again. Yeah, that is our first empty. Next one we used up was a Glasshouse candle. This was the Gingerbread House Festive Gingerbread. It was called Gingerbread House, and it was the scent is like Festive Spice Biscuit. Oh, this smells so good. I don't know. Once again, like I don't know how far you're meant to burn a candle to. What does it say? Stop burning when 10 millimeters of unmelted wax remains in the bottom of the glass. Is that 10 millimeters? I don't know, but I feel like that looks pretty empty to me, so I feel like you can't smell it anymore. But when this was lit, it made like, this is a tiny little candle, alright? Like this is a, doesn't tell me, but it's a small candle. And when I tell you that the whole house smelt when that was burning, like it has such a good throw. Glasshouse candles are on the more expensive side, but I think that's why, because they're obviously quality. Yeah, they really do pack a punch, and honestly I'd rather spend like, you know, 30, 40, 50 bucks on a candle that you're gonna be able to smell rather than like 20 bucks on a candle you're not gonna be able to smell. You know what I mean? So yeah, love this scent. I do love Glasshouse candles. That was our second empty. I'm actually so sad about this one because I really didn't want this to end. This was the Lush and Barbie collab, and this is the Barbie Dream Sugar Scrub. This smelled so incredible. And also, how cute is the packaging? Love that. So cute. But yeah, it was like lime. Oh, it was like lemon and lime or something. Scrub up with the swirls of sweet sugar and a fruity lemon lime scent. Oh, it's so good. It's so like fresh but like sweet. It kind of reminds me of like an icy pole, or I don't know. It just, and it makes me think of like the beach and like happiness. And I know it sounds really like cliche, but yeah, I loved it. And I actually loved like the actual formula of this sugar scrub. I want them to do more of these, and if they ever bring back this scent, I will jump on it so fast. But yeah, I'm so sad I've used it up. Yeah, absolutely loved it. And I wish, like, it's so hard, like, sometimes, like, I love empties videos, but sometimes it's so shit because, like, it actually looked really pretty inside. Like, I wish I could show you how it looked. You can see some little shimmers floating around in the bottom there. But yeah, that was so good. I loved that. We also used up a shower jelly from Lush. This one is in the scent Twilight. Twilight is one of my all-time favourite scents from Lush. I absolutely love it. Shower jellies I have kind of a love-hate relationship with. Like, I like them, but I don't like them. I don't know. I do like them. They take a long time to use, but I used to pick up the whole shower jelly and rub it on my body and it'd fall on the ground and like it'd be such a pain and all that kind of stuff. But now I just kind of get my loofah and dip it in there and kind of, what's the word? Like, lather it up and then use it that way, and I find it's a lot easier to use because you're not like dropping the jelly and stuff all the time. But yeah, I absolutely love this. This says, sleepwalk soundly into the twilight zone with soothing lavender oil leathers. God, that was a tongue twister. But yeah, I absolutely love the twilight scent. It's one of my all-time favorites. I feel like I've already got a backup of that, possibly, so I don't know. At all times I've got something like twilight scented in my, twilight or sleepy scented in my like collection anyway. So I used up one of these. This was out of the advent calendar, mind you. They're like gross because I've been sitting in my shower because like obviously I've like used them up and then set them on the side of the shower for my empties video, and now they're like, some of them still have like water on them. Gross. Anyway, this was out of the advent calendar that I got last year. This is the Sunset Fun. I honestly don't love Fun that much. Like, it's alright, but it's definitely not something I'd probably go out of my way to buy. I have bought it with my own money before. That made no sense. Everything I buy from Lush is with my own money. But like, I have bought Fun before, but it's normally like in a full collection or something like that. This one I got in the advent calendar, but I think going forward I probably won't buy Fun anymore. The only reason I have bought it in the past is because like normally, like if the Halloween collection comes out, I'll just buy the whole collection. So yeah, but yeah, this one was okay. It wasn't anything amazing. It says, as the sun sets on another day, capture the last drops of sunlight. A tantalizing trio of mandarin, tangerine and bergamot gives you a burst of citrus to put a smile on your face. Like, it smells nice, but yeah, I just don't love Fun too much. It's not my favourite product that Lush does, and I don't really reach for it a whole lot either. We used up the AM to PM gel cleanser from 4th Row Beauty. I've honestly had this for so long. I won't repurchase this one. It's the type of cleanser that it made your skin feel clean, but also made your skin feel tight and like stripped, and I don't love that feeling. I like quite a gentle cleanser. Like, my skin is on the dry side, I think. Like, it's not super oily. So yeah, sometimes gel cleansers are not my fave. It was nice. It's just not for me, personally. But yeah, it was alright. We used that one up. I'm glad to have used it up. Like, it wasn't awful enough for me to not use it, but like, I just won't repurchase it. Then we used up 2 body butters from the Body Shop. So we used up Satsuma and British Rose. These are kind of like, they're alright, like I don't mind them. Once again, it's probably not something I'd go out of my way to purchase individually, but like, when I get them gifted to me or whatever, I'm like, I'm not dreading them, you know what I mean? But I just have so many, and yeah, if I buy like gift packs or whatever, like, and they've got one in there, I'm like, okay. I think I got majority of mine from when I did like advent calendars from the Body Shop a while ago. So yeah, like, I don't love the formula that much, but they're alright. As for the scents, I love the scents. Satsuma and British Rose, they both smell so good, but yeah, they're just not my favourite moisturiser body butter. So that was all about Empties this month. I really thought we had a little bit more, but I have a lot of things that I'm so close to using up that I'm just trying to get through. Like, for example, this Madison beer, like, this is like hanging on for dear life. So anyway, so how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I thought we did better than that, if I'm being honest. That's a bit embarrassing, but anyway, whatever. 8 for our first month, so not too shabby, I guess. This month I'm aiming for 10 or 15, I can't remember. One of the two. So yeah, hopefully I can do a bit better with Empties this month, but whatever. I'm gonna do a massive declutter in June, I think. There's some things that I'm like giving like a final chance to, and then if I haven't used them by June, they're going. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this Empties video. Really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow.